In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send emails to customers directly from QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Next, open the Create menu and choose the form you want to send. For example, you can create an invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. Once the form opens, go to the Customer field and select the customer you're sending it to. If you've already saved an email address for that customer, QuickBooks will automatically fill it into the email field. If necessary, you can review or update the email address before sending. Now, complete the rest of the form as you normally would. Enter the products or services, quantities, rates, dates, and any other information that needs to appear on the document. Once everything looks correct, look toward the bottom of the form and choose Save and Send. QuickBooks will open the email preview where you can review what your customer is going to receive. Here, check the customer's email address and customize the subject line and email message if needed. Keep the message clear and professional so your customer immediately understands what you're sending them. You can also review the attached form or preview before sending to make sure all of the information is correct. And that's it.